past resort, holiday gift wrapping. Keep me company as I'm trying to be a very organized person, get ahead of myself, and do some gift wrapping for the holiday season for friends and family. I have everything that I need on my dining room table: gift bags, ribbons, gift boxes, and even some of the gifts, just to see what I have and what I might still need. This will help me a great deal and save me a ton of time because I can see if I have the right packaging, the boxes and the bags for the gifts that I have. This year I have found these beautiful boxes that really don't need any more decorating. No more bows. They're just perfect. Just a card. And they're perfect for gloves and hats. And I'm going to use some of the cute little ornaments to decorate the gift bags. Just to add just the right touch for everyone on the list. Adding cute little ornaments or toys or even crayons and coloring pencils to special boxes or gift bags, I think adds so much to your gift wrapping. And you can always go with what that person is interested in, a cook or a gardener. Gift bags are perfect, and I always look for beautiful, whimsical ones for teachers, for little ones in the family, and it's so much easier to carry to a party or to school, especially the ones with cards hanging from them. I know of a great trick how to carry several gift bags together without constantly wanting to grab to the handles. Watch to the very end of the video. And to show that you have really worked hard to create that beautiful gift box, beautiful ribbons, especially if you're hanging your gift from the Christmas tree.
Hi everyone, it's Lauren. I am putting some of my holiday gifts together for family and my neighbors, and I usually have kind of like two lists for gifts that is for people that I know very well, my family members, some are friends, our neighbors, and a list for people that I'm not very familiar with them, but they're like our teachers or some of our friends that I would like to say thank you and give them something during the holidays, a small gift. So during the year, I always have my family members in mind and people that are close to me, my close friends. So if I see something, I just get them and hold on to them. And usually I start shopping around September, which is a good safe time for me because then I don't have to rush it. And like now, I like to put them in gift bags or in very nice ornamental gift boxes and put them aside and take the stress out of gift wrapping at the last minute. I usually have the same cookies that some friends really ask for them during the holidays, so that's their gift. Some of my neighbors are used to the ginger molasses cookies and the brownies that I make during the holidays, so that's easy. I just make a big batch, put them together and wrap them in a nice box, and with a card I usually deliver it, and they're always happy to get what they've asked for. But for people that I'm not very familiar with, like some of our teachers, some of the friends, new friends, I usually go with very practical things like soft and warm gloves, hats, or something that maybe I know, a book that I know they would enjoy reading. So I'm going to put all of this together using very nice, beautiful ribbons that I found this year and very cute ornaments that I usually add from the bag, like a little ornamental thing. And I use gift cards for some, and I use pretty little boxes for those. For usually teachers and just gift ideas for people that you might not know very well, but you would love to say thank you for making this year a wonderful year, an easy year for us. And just for that special person, I usually do, like I said, very practical gifts. I will do like travel mug like this, and either I fill it up with candy or I put another bag of candy with it, like this one. So it would be just like that. Or I do a coffee mug. The one I have here is this little guy, and I will have maybe a bag of coffee or a bag of mints, or maybe flavored syrup in there, and that's usually, I think, a very nice gift, just to say thank you and to let them know that you were thinking of them. And there you go. Pretty bag, nice tissue, and just a beautiful special gift inside with a very nice holiday card to go with it. I spent some time decorating the gift bag, and not only I put the tissue and a card in there and the gift, especially for the little ones, or if it's someone that I know they have liking to something. If they're a gardener, I do something related to gardening. If they're a cook, I do something related to cooking. And for kids, for little ones, if they like ornaments for their Christmas tree, I usually add a Christmas ornament or a card or an action figure hanging from their gift bag. And it makes the gift bag look very special, and you can always see them getting so excited that they're getting something as a gift right outside their bag, just like that, a little ornament hanging from the bag. And it's also nice way to know whose gift it is if you have several gifts in your hand. And then I put the tissue paper in there, which I might use the white one. You can use based on Christmas colors or holiday colors, pink or green, or my favorite for holiday is gold. So maybe something like that. And your cute little ornament hanging. I love to give cookies, cake, candy for holidays. As a gift, any time of the year you can give me candy, cookies, chocolate. I would be so happy. It is one of the best gifts ever. So especially if it's someone that I don't know very well, I have these usually candies that we normally do during holidays. Candy cane, chocolate, ginger molasses, cookies like that. Fudge would be very good. So I have some hot candies. Put it in there. Do a little shaping, and here's the bag, and I put a small card in there. There is nothing like a little note card hanging from it. And to make it even prettier, I'm gonna add some very colorful small ornaments hanging from it, just like that. And I would have it hanging from a little ribbon handle. And I will use the same ribbon or a different color ribbon, whatever you like. I think I'll just go with this pretty sparkly green one. I pass the ornaments through. You can get these ornaments with the string hanging from them, or you can hang them yourself if they just have the little needle hook, and add it to the bag. Like I said, it's a very nice, easy way to know whose gift you have in your hand too, especially if you're sending your child to school with different bags. They don't have to open the bag and see whose gift they have. And you can even put more ribbon on it, just like that. You have cute little ornaments hanging from the bag, just like that. And I have Ginger Man and this little fluffy, colorful elephant. I think that would be really pretty on the back too. Boxes, usually since they're this ornate and beautiful, all I do is put a little tissue in there and I have the gift inside. Perfect for like jewelry, watches. Then you just put this under the Christmas tree and it would look just beautiful. And I love these bags, love the boxes. And the bows, beautiful. I put maybe more than 2. I will do 3 and just put several of them on one bag, especially if it's a large bag like this one. I will have them lined up, or I will have one here and one on the other side. I think that would just be beautiful. And for small gifts, love gift cards. If it already has a very nice cover, like a nice envelope, I have these tiny little bows that are perfect for a small gift, and or even just a Christmas card. You can put a gift card in there and just put several of these on your little envelope. And usually with the gift bag or the gift inside the box, I have a card just like these. Just says joy or season's greetings or something pretty like this one is a winter's scene. And a card itself can also be a pretty little way to carry your gift if you're having a hi sweetheart. So you can just put your gift card in there, close it, and what I usually do is yes, I love you too. Okay, and then with your card, you can put a nice medium size bow, and that would be your gift to that special person. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this. This is my most favorite thing to do, wrapping gifts, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you subscribe if you haven't yet. By subscribing, you're supporting us, and I appreciate that so very much. And if you have any comments or any ideas, please let us know. Please let me know and add your comments to our video. Thank you so very much. And as I come up with more ideas, I will share them with you. But I thought just to be ahead of everything, it makes this season, this time of the year, so much more fun. And you're not stressing and no one can see you stressing, and everybody enjoys it at the same time. Thank you again, and thank you for watching. And a very good trick I have learned from years of carrying gift bags is snap hook. Just pass it through all the gift bag handles, and all you have to carry is the hook. So every time you put your bags down, you don't have to look for the handles. Yes, it is a good trick. There.
Last resort gift wrapping ideas.